Hey Urban Ecology students, this is Mrs. Quick, and I am posting this video so that those of you who have received the STEM bioplastic in a box kit from Mr. Young down at Ecotech, or I'm going to be delivering the last 4 of them this afternoon. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come together in a Zoom class and we're going to do this experiment together. So don't do it until everyone is ready and I send you an invitation. So in this box you have your directions. It's very cool. You have a beaker, you have thermometer tape, and you have pH paper, all these good things. This is biomix, biodirt, and measuring spoons. So you have everything you need to do this experiment according to the directions. So while everybody is putting this together and everybody is getting their kits delivered, I wanted you to take a look at it, and we'll come together in a Zoom class and we'll do it together as a class. Thanks, bye.
So here's what I want you to do. I'm gonna share a screen with y'all. Let me know when you see it.
I see it.
Okay. This is just a Google search. All I did was Google Ecotek Lab and bioplastic. This is the amount of information that's out there on this science kit. We've written research papers on how to make sporting equipment from bioplastic, how to make automotive parts. That's what the whole goal is. I want you guys to get better at it, because this is where we've taken it. Y'all gonna take it much further. Like, y'all gonna take it way further. You gonna make biodegradable footballs, baseballs. You know, me and Mrs. Quick won't see any more plastic on the ground because of you. We cut right into the kit. Should have some pH paper, right? This pH paper is used for testing the soil. So you're gonna be measuring the pH, and then you'll compare the color of the paper to this scale, okay? So you basically use the pH paper and the pH scale together. This guy here, y'all saw, everybody got one of these temperature scales? Y'all got one of these?
Yes.
So now you got one of these? All right, good. Here's what we got to use that for. When we are breaking down the plastic that we made, and instead of throwing it away, we have to put this strip on the bioreactor soil. It'll tell us what the temperature is as the bioplastic is breaking down. Everybody loves this one. Biomix. They're running through it like Cheerios. Well, actually, y'all probably don't like Cheerios. You're probably like Lucky Charms.
That's old people cereal.
Oh, man. I'm going to get you for that, Carmela. I'm going to get you for that. I actually have to eat Cheerios now, man, but I love me some Captain Crunch and, was it Trix? I used to love Trix. But the point of it is, this bioplastic material, this is a biocomposite. What questions do y'all have so far?
Is the white stuff that's in the soil the stuff that you talk about where it looks like sugar?
No, man. You know what? For the bioreactor soil, we have a specialized microbe that we created that goes in the soil. So think about it this way. You remember, you say what, you 14 now? Mm-hmm. So when was Obama? Obama was president, what was it,
2008?
Yeah, back in 2008. So what did it take us back, what, 12 years or something like that? So when you were 2, okay, they had this huge oil spill on the Gulf of Mexico, man. It was a BP oil spill. And all that oil was all over the Gulf of Mexico. And one of the biggest issues was, how do we get the oil out of the Gulf, right? So people were skimming it off the top, but there was bacteria that you can actually make that eats oil. And so that's what we did. We took that bacterium and we added it to your soils. Tanya, have you done anything with the kit so far?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did today.
What you do?
I did the I mixed stuff together to make the gel twice yesterday with my mama.
Okay, how did it go?
It went the first time. It went slow, but when we did the second time, we knew what to do.